So, recently, my mom and I have been shopping until literally the store is about to close because we're doing last minute shopping to buy crap because we're gonna travel soon. I don't wanna expose too much about this because I'm making a vlog about it. But anyways, as my mom and I have been shopping for the past couple of days, I have gotten some things for myself and I'm like, hey, I should make a haul. So, welcome to my haul. I have no clue what kind of haul this is. I'm still thinking of a title. Plus, I'm kind of worn out. It's a Saturday and I did skating lessons, skating practice, and then ate breakfast. Then I went back to the ring to do an off-ice class, and then after that we literally went shopping and we didn't get home until like 10:30. So yeah, that was a big exhausting day. But yeah, I'm gonna start this haul now. So what I got is some ponytail like I don't know what these things are called. But what the purpose of them is for. When you make a ponytail, you tie them on top of the pony. Yeah, this video sucks. And of course, the pack did come with more, but the other 4 are in the washer, getting washed. The only reason I did not wash these is because I wore the blue one to skating today, and last night, which was when I got them, I was debating whether to wear the black one or the blue one, and I picked the blue one this morning. So yeah, I might as well just throw these to the washer as well. But yeah, that was from Walmart, so that means we're gonna start with our Walmart haul. Got a lot of goodies. Alright, so the first 3 things that count as one item pretty much is Kiss fake nails. As you see, I got 3 different colors, and they're all gel. So this one is I got this one because it's like more of a natural, and it looked kind of plain, but it also has this nice bottom that I really like. While the red one is really, I got these because I have a red skating dress and I'm like, these could do well for competition or a special occasion. And plus it comes with gold. And I also have like a gold-ish figure skating dress, and I'm like, you know what? These nails were meant to be. So next time I have to wear these dress, I'm putting these nails on. Gotta look glamorous for a figure skating competition. And these are like holographic nails. As you see, they're pretty shiny. And they've got shiny bottoms too. So it could also be good for casual, I guess. But yeah, the only reason I got these fake nails is because I'm not really good at painting my nails, especially if I want like them to have like glitter or these fancy shiny stuff. So I'm like, you know what? I might as well do fake nails. Next from Walmart is these headbands. I'm going to cut these up. Here are the headbands. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 of them, and they're mostly plain colors, but pretty stretchy. And the only reason I got these headbands is because whenever I tie my hair up, I have like these horrific bangs, and they're very annoying. So yeah, I have to like solve that annoyance, and these headbands are my problem solver. As you guys see, there is purple, pink, a mix of blue and red, so I'm going to call this a multicolor one, black, and blue. They're pretty neat. How about I try one right now? Very first time putting on this type of headband, by the way, so this is going to be cringe. Oh, my eye. It makes my eye. Oh my goodness. I am not good at this. this seems pretty good. My bangs are definitely out of my face. But I'm gonna take that off because I literally just washed my hair. And that's all I got from Walmart. I am not going to explain why I got this so much and what I'm gonna show you guys next, but this is an SD card. And I got this because I'm gonna need it. This is the card. This next thing I'm gonna show you guys is from Justice, and I only got one thing. It was for $4, and it's this headband. So this is the Justice headband. It's like a mermaid theme. It has this nice blue bow for you to put on the front, I guess. And I'm gonna try this on. Here is the headband. It's pretty cute. This last thing I got is from Party City. Now, when I got these headbands, I'm like, these are too plain. Like, they need some pizzazz. So I am like, you know what? I think this is the time for me to get some JoJo Zero bows. I didn't even plan to get these bows, but I've been looking for like these small bows, and these were perfect. Yeah, these are like the 7-day JoJo Zero bows. They're small and they're pretty cute. I especially like the rainbow one, this one, and that one the most. And now I am just gonna cut this thing open. Let's see, how do we get this thing off? Here is the Monday bow. It has hearts. This next one has unicorns. This one is a plain pink. Something nice and simple. This is like a teal, and it has some nice rhinestones on it. This one has cupcakes. Another unicorn theme bow. And we got this very cute rainbow bow. Now you guys are probably wondering like, Nicole, how are you gonna put these bows on these headbands? And I'm like, I know. I mean, it's kind of impossible to put these on if they already have these alligator clips. Which is why I came to this idea of just use a safety pin. So here's how this is gonna work. I'll show you guys how to add a bow on your headband, and you can remove it anytime you want. So guys, here's the thing. You would want to open the safety pin, put it over this area right here, and make sure it's over here all the way. Then you would want to take this headband, put the sharp thing over, make it like this, and make sure the sharp thing is out so it can be able to go through here. There we go. And then once it's over there, you can just close it nicely. It might be hard though, or maybe I'm just not experienced. I've never used a safety pin before except today. And there you go guys, you got a bow on your headband. Except I think I could have just pinned it a little more, so I'm gonna repin that. Okay, this works. As you see guys, it works. See, it's pinned, it's secure, it's nice. And that's how you temporarily put a bow on your headband. And if you're gonna use a safety pin and all that, to try to do this at home, make sure, if you're young and not trusted with sharp things, make sure you have an adult. Because seriously, these pins are very sharp. Anyways, that was long. We're not even done with this haul. So I also got this bow from Party City. It's black with a mix of rainbow shimmer. And I got this because I think it's a very nice thing to wear when I'm practicing skating. think will make a nice hair accessory. It could be a good experiment, and if I like this, then I might get even more bows, who knows. But yeah, I'm gonna cut this out of the box now and do some reviewing. Okay, it's gone. Okay, as you guys see, here's the bow and a big alligator clip. Now let's test this. This is harder than I thought. Wait, who am I saying? Tying my hair is always hard. We'll just add another ponytail for security. Really matches my skating outfit, I can just see it. I'll give you guys a close-up view here. Not bad. Very easy to put on and very easy to take out. I wonder what the smaller one looks like on my head. Well guys, that's the video, or the haul, or whatever this video is called. I hope you enjoyed, and if you liked it, please give it a like. If you have something to say, please comment, and if you want to see more of this, please subscribe, because I have a lot of crap coming for next month, and this month too. Anyways, I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Cheerio!